And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash. Bye.
Are you gonna trap a leprechaun?
Has a bed and there's a hole there. Right? And it says legal.
This is Sea Lion leader Skyla Kruger with this week's announcements. It's conference week. All students are dismissed from school at 12:30 p.m. on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. We get dismissed at 1:20 on Wednesday. Project Seek Skate Night is happening next Monday. Make sure you get your tickets to this fun event. Progress reports are available on Illuminate. Let's celebrate all our hard work so far. The Double Dare Assembly is finally here. On Wednesday, we get to cheer for Miss Wood, Mr. Larson, and all the teachers as they participate in fun games. Enjoy the show. The 5th grade panoramic picture is happening on Friday. You could wear your red McGaw Spirit gear or your 5th grade hoodie. On Friday, Project Seek is hosting a night in Hollywood for this year's event. Thank you for supporting our programs at school. Your donations make a huge difference for all Sea Lions. That's it, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
So I'm back, and I just heard that the Double Dare Assembly is next week. I can't believe it! You're actually doing that? You're gonna squirt slime all over me? You're gonna make people put their faces in pie tins and get all messy? I can't believe it. But I gotta let you know, Miss Wood, Mr. Larson, and everyone else will do anything for you. So thanks so much for raising $70,000.
$70,000?
So that we can enjoy all the cool things that the PTA has in store for McGaw. You guys are amazing, and I can't wait to get slimed. Have fun, Sea Lions!
I got a rabbit.
High five! Yeah!
Kindergarten.
Our first Rawbuck winner comes from Miss Tochioka's class. Congratulations to UTK student Cole Alvarado. Cole did a great job on the green team yesterday. We appreciate you taking pride in our campus.
1st grade.
Congratulations to first grader from Miss Monteleone's class, Rowan Villalobos Cochran. Miss Cherie said that Rowan was being a kind friend and asked another friend if they wanted to play. And that's how you make someone's day.
2nd grade.
Our Rawbuck winner in 2nd grade is from Miss Lee's class. Congratulations to Timothy Caldwell. Miss Lee said that Timmy saw that she was struggling to put the Fun Friday tubs away, and he stepped up to help. Thanks so much, Timmy, for being aware.
3rd grade.
Our winner in 3rd grade comes from Miss Francisco and Miss Anderson's class. Congratulations to 3rd grader Bella Herrera. Miss Alveda said that Bella has been a great helper at lunch all week long. She goes above and beyond in her duties. Thanks so much, Bella.
4th grade.
Mrs. Salmonis is really excited to shout out 4th grader Bailey Frank. She said that Bailey should be proud of her work on stage. She could tell that you practiced your lines and made your character come to life. You did a great job at pageant, Bailey. Well done.
5th grade.
And our final winner is a 5th grader who's new to our school. Miss Flores wants to shout out Ethan Germain from Miss Breedlove's class. Miss Flores says that Ethan was being a great team player during Gaga Ball. He encouraged fellow classmates and checked in with those who were down. Way to go. That's some raw behavior.
Bye, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.